Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaushika. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do Chakrasana in 5 days. Okay, so I have included other yogic postures and stretches to improve your back flexibility, your arm strength, your leg strength. Okay, so do all these stretches every day to achieve your Chakrasana. So before getting into the video, please consider subscribing my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I will give the link below in the description box, and let's get started. Lie down and bend your legs like this. Now inhale and slowly rise your hip up and exhale. Do the same for 5 times. Your hands grounded onto your side. Don't turn your neck. This will improve your leg strength and your back flexibility. And this time, when you rise your hip up, we are also going to take your hands back. Yes, like this. Inhale, rise your hip up and exhale. This will improve your shoulder mobility. Do this for 5 times. So as a next exercise, we are going to do a push-up by keeping your knee down. Come to a tabletop position. Keep your hands little bit forward and your legs crossed like this and do a push-up. Try to not arc your back. Do this for 10 counts. This is a beginner level push-up, but if you find it difficult, you can also do it standing in front of the wall. After completing 10 rounds, take a child's pose, knees together and head to the floor. Moving on to the next exercise, lie onto your back, your knees bent, and keep your hands inside of your head and try to rise your hip up. Do this for 5 times. After completing 5 rounds, be in the same position and slowly rise your hip up, and now press your hand on the floor and lift your upper body out of the floor and keep your head, your center of your head in the ground. And breathe normally. We are almost there. And slowly keep your body down and relax. So as the next exercise, we are going to do a camel pose. Come onto your knees. Keep your hands in your back as a support. And slowly bend backward. Push your hip forward and look up. Do as much as you can. This will improve in your regular practice. And release. So as a next step, we are going to do almost the same. Just your hands are going onto your foot. You are going to put your hands on your foot and bend backward. Push your hip forward and look up. So this is a camel pose. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. And slowly release and come to child's pose. So as a final step, we are going to do a Chakrasana. Keep your knees bent, your hands closer to your head. Rise your hip up. Put your crown of your head in the ground and slowly lift your head up using your hand. So this is Chakrasana. You can also move your hands little bit closer to your legs. This is just an option. After you're getting comfortable in Chakrasana, put your chest little bit forward, and you can also move your legs closer to your hands. You can get here easily in regular practice. Just 5 days of regular practice and you will be here. And slowly put your body down, very slowly and smoothly, gracefully. So now, as the opposite stretch, take your knees closer to your chest and hold it using your hand. So now we are going to oscillate forward and backward. Do it 6 times. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.